Good morning, XRP community, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down what's really happening in the crypto market and why things feel so tense globally. Right now, I'm reporting from Jordan, a country situated between Iran and Israel, and I can tell you the situation on the ground is extremely serious. Last night, emergency sirens went off across Jordan and explosions were heard nearby. The atmosphere is intense and uncertain, and this is having a direct effect on the markets. Across the board, we are seeing a heavy market correction. Bitcoin is trading around $95,000. Ethereum has dropped to $2,500. XRP is holding at $2.17, but that number doesn't tell the full story. It's not green because of growth. It's green because it's stabilizing after a larger drop. Unless there's a ceasefire soon, we may see further downside. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss any of these urgent updates. And if you find value in this real-time content, hit the like button and leave a comment below with #XRP to let the algorithm know you're part of this community. Now let's talk about the situation. Just 1 hour after news broke of Iranian hypersonic missiles hitting Tel Aviv, more than $335 million were liquidated from the crypto market. That's just in 1 hour. Oil prices have jumped 6%. Stock market futures are down. And gold has officially closed at its highest daily and weekly price in history. This is the kind of move we only see in times of extreme geopolitical stress. And if this sounds familiar, it should. In the 1930s, the world faced a major debt crisis, which led to massive money printing and currency devaluation. That spiral ended in global war. Today, we're seeing similar ingredients: record debt, nonstop printing, inflation, and now military escalation. The past doesn't repeat, but it definitely rhymes. Meanwhile, the European Central Bank has already cut interest rates. China has done the same. Now all eyes are on the United States. Will Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve make the same move? A rate cut would be a short-term relief for markets, but it could also reignite inflation. So it's a tricky call, and the outcome will shape what happens next for crypto. Let's now talk about what's happening with XRP behind the scenes. While prices are shaky, the fundamentals of the XRP ecosystem are growing fast. A company based in Singapore called Trident Digital has announced plans to raise $500 million to build the world's first large-scale corporate XRP reserve. This would be the biggest XRP treasury acquisition ever, and it follows other major players like Vivo Power, who already committed $300 million to XRP reserves. This is starting to look like a trend similar to what we saw with Bitcoin, when companies like MicroStrategy began stacking BTC for their balance sheets. We also saw a whale move 47.8 million XRP to Binance in the last 48 hours. That's worth over $100 million, and it may signal that large holders are bracing for more volatility. Or it could be a local bottom signal. Time will tell. But beyond that, we just got confirmation from the World Economic Forum that there is now a $1 billion tokenized debt fund running on the XRP Ledger. That's real utility. Tokenized debt is a growing sector, and with the U.S. national debt at $36 trillion, the need for blockchain-based solutions has never been greater. And remember, XRP also has long-standing connections with American Express. That matters because Coinbase just announced a new crypto rewards card in partnership with American Express, offering up to 4% cashback in Bitcoin. This could create new rails for future integrations, and Ripple already has an institutional relationship with Amex, focused on cross-border payments. These are the kinds of partnerships that take years to build, and now we're starting to see them come to life. What does all this mean? First, the market is fragile right now because of global war risks. But under the surface, XRP is getting stronger, not weaker. Corporate treasuries are considering XRP. Institutional investors are watching. The XRP Ledger is hosting real financial infrastructure. And long-term, that's what matters. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button right now. Make sure you're subscribed because this situation is moving fast, and we'll continue bringing you the latest updates as they happen. Comment below with hashtag XRP and let me know your thoughts. Do you think XRP will become the next corporate treasury standard? Will gold continue rising? Is this the early phase of a global financial reset? Let's talk about it in the comments. Thanks for being here. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.